Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create beams in Tekla Structures with example. I brought this example in the description below of this video. Please download and practice along with this video. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla Structures with Indian environment. Now I'm going to create beam. So open our example. You can see in our example, we have simple standard beam ISMB 400 according to Indian standard profile. So I'm going to create this beam. So go to Tekla Structures and now I'm going to create views. So click on this grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Now type here elevation on grid and copy and paste here. Then click on create and click on OK and OK. To open view list, use the shortcut Ctrl I. Otherwise, you can click on here window and you can select from here view list. Okay, now I'm going to create beam at the level planet 3000. So click on this planet 3000 and click on this arrow to open view, planet 3000 view. In the background, you can see at the top, the title is planet 3000. We are in planet 3000. So now I'm going to create a beam. So click on steel and select this beam and pick the first point at grid intersection point and pick the second point at here to create beam like this. Right click on mouse interrupt. Now click on this window and select this 3D view. You can see now we have beam at level 3000. Okay, by default we have the profile I section profile like this. Now I'm going to double click on it to edit the profile. So double click on it. By default we have profile ISMB 300, but in our example we have profile ISMB 400. So we're going to change this profile. So click on here profile catalog and select ISMB 400, then click on apply OK. Click on modify to see the result here. So click on modify. You can see now currently we have ISMB 400 profile like this. Okay, let's see our second example. In our second example, we have pipe profile 300 is the dia and thickness is 8 mm. Okay, I'm going to create this pipe. So come here, click on window and select this planet 3000. So click on this beam and pick the first point and pick the second point to create beam like this. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on window and select this 3D view and use the shortcut Ctrl 4 for render view like this, just like solid. Now I'm going to create pipe instead of I section. So double click on it. Now I'm going to change it. So click on this profile catalog and minimize this ice profile, and we require circular halo section, so maximize it. And this is the best non-standard pipe. So click on this pipe and enter 300 millimeter dia and thickness we have 8 millimeter. In our example you can see 8 thickness, so we need to enter here 8 millimeter, then click on apply OK, then click on modify to see the result like this. If you want to change the color of this pipe, then click on here and let's take this color, then click on modify like this. Okay, close it and go to elevation view by using the shortcut Ctrl I and select the elevation along grid 1 and click on it to open. You can see we have pipe like this. If you want to place this pipe at the center of this grid intersection point, then double click on it to edit this pipe profile. Now you can see at the position, under position, at the depth, we need to select here middle, then click on modify. You can see now currently we have this pipe position at the middle of this grid intersection point like this along grid B and at the intersection of 3000 level grid and B grid. Now close it. Now click on this window and select this 3D view to see like this in the 3D view. Okay, to rotate this view, use the shortcut Control and scroll button. Hold the Control and scroll button to rotate like this. Okay, now coming to third example. In our third example, we have rectangular halo section pipe. You can see RHS rectangular halo section pipe rectangular pipe with 400 length and width 300 and thickness 6 millimeter. So now I'm going to create this profile in our example. So open Tekla Structures and go to plan view. So click on window and select this plan at 3000, and I'm going to create beam at here. So click on this beam and pick the first point here and pick the second point at gradient section point here to create beam like this initially with the previous profile. So we're going to change this profile, so double click on it, click on here profile catalog and minimize this circular halo section. We require rectangular halo section, so click on this maximize this window. Here you can see maximize this option, and we have non-standard rectangular halo section, so click on this RHS and click on here. Currently we have option only height and thickness, but we require 3 options. You can see height, width and thickness. So in our example you can see height, width and thickness. So we need to change this option. So under profile subtype, click on here and select this option HBT to change 3 options to get 3 options here. So you can see now we have height, width and thickness. So in our example we have height 400 and width 300 and thickness 6 millimeter. So enter here 400 and enter here 300 and thickness we have 6 millimeter. So enter here 6 millimeter. Now click on apply. OK. Now click on modify to see the result here. You can see now we have rectangular halo section like this. Okay, now close this window. If you want to change this color, then click on here class and let's take this class 2, then click on modify and close it. Now go to elevation view along grade A. So click on here window and select this elevation on grade 1. So come here, you can see now we have height 400, 300 width and thickness 6 millimeter. If you want to rotate this rectangular beam, then click on it, double click on it. You can see now we have position, under position we have option here rotation. Now enter here 90 degrees to rotate this rectangle. So then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have horizontal 400 and vertical 300 and thickness 6 millimeter. Okay, now click on window and select this 3D view. You can see you will get like this. Now coming to next example. In our next example, you can see we have ISMB 200 with angle 45 degrees in clockwise direction, and we have specified length 4000 millimeter this beam. So I'm going to create this example. So go to Tekla Structures and click on window and select this plan at 3000. Now I'm going to create beam at this location. Initially we need to create horizontal beam, then we can rotate that beam with 45 degrees angle in our example, like in our example. Okay, we're going to create ISMB 200 with length 4000. So click on this beam and pick the first point and just place the cursor at gradient section point. Don't click on it, just place the cursor and enter the length of the beam. Currently we have 2000 millimeter or 4000. Let's check. We have 4000 millimeters, so enter here 4000. Now click on OK to create 4000 millimeter length of beam. Click on window and select this 3D view. You can see initially you will get previous profile. So now go to change this profile, so double click on it. We need to create ISMB 200. In our example we have ISMB 200 profile, standard profile. So minimize it, this rectangular halo section profiles. Now maximize this I section profile here. You can see maximize it, and we have standard profile, so we need to select from this option IS 808 according to Indian standard profiles here. So maximize here, and let's take ISMB this one and maximize, and ISMB 200. Then click on apply. OK, click on modify to see the result here like this. So we need to rotate this 90 degrees, so enter here 90 degrees, click on modify to see the result. Now we're going to place at the top the position, so for the eye section. So click on here and select front, click on modify to see the position at the below now. So now we're going to create at the top position, so click on here and select this behind, click on modify and close it. If you want to change the color, then click on here and let's take this class 7 like this. Otherwise let's take class 8 and close it. Okay, initially we have beam like this. Now going to rotate, so click on window and select this plan at 3000. Okay, now we have beam with the length 4000 millimeter and ISMB 200. So now I'm going to rotate this 45 degrees, so like this in our example. So select this beam, then right click on mouse, move special, use this option move special and click on rotate. Now we need to click on here rotation point at here, so click on here rotation point to fix the position. Now click on here enter. If you enter here positive value 45 degrees, then it will rotate anti-clockwise direction. We need to rotate clockwise direction, so we need to enter here minus value, negative value. So click on move and OK. You can see now this beam rotated 45 degrees. Now I'm going to check this angle here, so click on edit and click on here measure and select this option angle and pick the first point at center and pick the second point at middle, or you can click on here and pick the next point at the end of this beam. You can see now we have angle 45 degrees and the length of this beam is 4000 millimeters. You can see, select this beam, you will get this length of this beam. You can see 4000 millimeter, and this is the ISMB 200. You can cross check here, double click on this beam, you can see ISMB 200 according to Indian standard profile. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to check the next example. In our next example, we have beam with length 2000, specified length. You can see we have ISMB 200 and length is the 2000, and we have offset distance is the 3000. Now we're going to create this beam, so click on here window and select the plan at 3000 and click on space, right click on mouse redraw view to arrange this checking dimension. Now I'm going to create beam here, so click on steel and select this beam and pick the first point and give the direction, and don't click on it, just place the cursor at the middle, or you can place the cursor at the gradient section point, and don't click on it, just place the cursor and type the value 2000 length. We have the beam, then click on enter, or you can directly click on here OK to create a beam with the specified length of 2000. You can see select this beam, you can see now we have 2000 length, just like in our example. Now we have this beam, initially we have this beam on grid B. Now we're going to offset this beam 3000 millimeters, so select this beam, then right click on mouse, move special linear. Now we need to move in x direction. You can see in our coordinate at the corner, right side bottom corner, red color indicates the x direction, so we need to enter in we need to move in x direction, so enter here in dx. In our example we have 3000 offset value, so enter here 3000, then click on move to move this beam 3000. So now I'm going to check this dimension, so click on edit and select this dimension, measure and select this horizontal distance and pick the first point and pick the next point at here and click on here to place the dimension. You can see now we have the dimension between along grid B to this beam, we have 3000 offset value. Okay, you can see in our example like this. Okay, in our next example we have ISMB 200 along this grid B. You can use the another option to create a beam. Instead of creating 2 points to create beam, just like pick the first point and pick the second point to create beam. You can use the another option also available here. Just elongate this gradient section points to create a beam. Just select this option, snap to line and edges, then select this beam and just place the cursor on grid, then click on it on grid to create a beam with a single one click, like this. You can see now I have like this. Now off this option, now go to window and select this 3D view. You can see now I have beam with the profile ISMB 200, like in our example, like this. Okay, similarly you can create multiple beams with single click on each time along grid beams, just like select this option and select this beam, and if you want to place the beam on this grid, then just click on it like this and click on it just like this with a single one click. Instead of using 2 points, picking the 2 points, you can use this option to create beams like this. You can see in our 3D view, just like this. Okay, now off this option, snap to lines and edges. Okay, that's it about how to create beams in Tekla Structures with this example. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please join my channel. I will provide doubt clarification videos and requested videos only for joined members. So I request you please join my channel. Okay, thank you.